Hi everyone, I am Meenal. Welcome back to my channel and a very warm welcome to another video. If you're watching me for the first time, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so जब भी मैं नए videos डालूँ आप लोगों को notification आ जाए. So Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and if you are watching this video, I'm pretty sure that you have something planned. So I thought what better than to put out a makeup video for Valentine's Day, and this is the makeup look that I have created, which is super quick, easily achievable. It looks very classy. अगर आप lunch plan कर रहे हैं, brunch plan कर रहे हैं, या you have a dinner date, also complement no matter what outfit you're gonna wear. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Start करने के पहले I would highly recommend that you go ahead, use a face razor and get rid of all the unwanted hair on your face. अगर आपने ये कभी पहले नहीं किया है तो मैं रेकमेंड नहीं करूँगी कि जस्ट बिफोर योर बिग डेट और बिग इवेंट आप ये चीज़ करिए. अगर आप जनरली ये चीज़ करते हैं या ब्लीचिंग करते हैं, सो प्लीज़ गो ahead with that. It is a game changer. Without any facial hair, the makeup also runs very smooth on your face, and your face altogether looks so much better. If you want to experiment that, I also have a detailed video on how to shave your face. I would leave a link in the description box. एक आई बटन भी स्क्रीन के कॉर्नर पे पॉप होगा, so you can go and check that out if you want to try it out. Once you're done with that, it is very important कि किसी भी मेकअप करने के पहले आप अपना स्किन केयर कर लीजिए. So I am using this, the Mom's Co Natural Vita Rich Face Serum, and I also go ahead with this, the Natural Vita Rich Face Cream. So I combine these both and use that. So let's get started. So I've currently started using that and I have been loving these products. अगर आप experiment करना चाहते हैं, I would highly recommend कि आप ये brand try कर सकते हैं. Now throughout this video बहुत बार मैं यहाँ पे देखूँगी because my mirror is placed right here. After the face serum, I'll go ahead and use the face cream. Do not forget your neck. Now इसके ऊपर I'm also gonna go with this Pond's Super Light Gel. बहुत सारे लोगों ने इस चीज़ को प्रमोट किया था जब ये नया लॉन्च हुआ था, and it is actually a very nice cream for your face. It is very light, it doesn't dry up your skin, and it doesn't also make your face oily. It is like aloe vera gel. अब किसी भी टाइप का स्किन केयर करने के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि आप इमीडिएटली मेकअप नहीं स्टार्ट कीजिए. 5 से 10 मिनट दीजिए अपनी स्किन को वो स्किन केयर सोक इन करने के लिए, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ यूजिंग अ प्राइमर. मैं हर वीडियो में बार ये चीज़ बोलती हूँ कि प्राइमर यूज़ करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. अगर आप अभी भी प्राइमर यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, प्लीज़ इन्वेस्ट इन अ प्राइमर. इट कैन बी अ गेम चेंजर फॉर योर मेकअप. आई लव लॉरियल बेस मैजिक. मैं सिर्फ यही प्राइमर यूज करती हूँ. आई डू नॉट लाइक टू एक्सपेरिमेंट, आई डू नॉट लाइक टू चेंज. आई लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. मेक श्योर दैट यू अप्लाई दिस प्राइमर ऑल ओवर योर फेस एंड नेक. आपके अगर ओपन पोर्स हैं, अगर आपकी स्किन अनइवन है, प्राइमर एक स्मूथ सरफेस देता है ताकि फाउंडेशन बहुत अच्छे से आपके स्किन पे सेट हो. Now with this step, it is also very important to moisturize your lip, because इस मेकअप लुक के लिए हम एक बोल्ड कलर यूज कर रहे हैं, तो आपके लिप को मॉइस्चराइज होना बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Using this vitamin E lipstick from the Body Shop. The next step is obviously foundation. Now because this is a date makeup look या Valentine's special makeup look, I do not recommend कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन अपने फेस पे लादर कर लीजिए. अगर हो सकता है then you can also go for a BB cream or go for a light foundation. Trust me, फोटोज़ में, वीडियोज़ में heavy base देखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, but when you're meeting someone in real life, बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी मेकअप डजंट लुक गुड. मेकअप इन अ वे ज़रूरी है आपके ओरिजिनल फीचर्स एनहांस करने के लिए, ना कि उनको चेंज करने के लिए या हाइड करने के लिए. सो आई डू नॉट लव heavy base makeup. Specifically if you're meeting a guy, trust me, do not put a lot of foundation. फोटोज़ में अलग बात होती है, रियल जब फेस टू फेस पर्सन दिखेंगे तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा केकी दिखेगा. सो for this makeup look, I am going for Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Foundation. I'm also not using a lot of foundation. As I said, keep it light, keep it natural, be confident. And if your skin is in a very good condition, you don't even need foundation. You can just go ahead with BB cream. Now for this I'm using a beauty blender. Now beauty blender can be a game changer for blending any sort of foundation. I personally feel कि एक बहुत ज़्यादा बेटर लुक देता है इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग दैट रादर देन अ ब्रश और योर फिंगर्स. अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो आप किसी भी टाइप का ब्रश यूज़ कर सकते हैं. मेक श्योर दैट यू स्प्रिंकल इट विथ सम रोज़ वाटर. ड्राई ब्रश से उतना अच्छा ब्लेंड नहीं होता है. मैंने ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर को भी वाटर में सोक करने के बाद यूज़ कर रही हूँ. जस्ट होल्ड इट फ्रॉम द सेंटर एंड dab very nicely. ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर ऑल्सो हेल्प्स आपका एक्सेस जो फाउंडेशन होता है वो स्किन पे नहीं रहने देता, बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लेता है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ प्लस. Do not forget your neck. I always say that your neck and ears should match your face. Now if you're satisfied with just one layer of foundation, well and good. If you still feel कि आपको एक और लेयर चाहिए तो आप थोड़ा सा फाउंडेशन और लगा के ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर की मदद से इसको अच्छे से डैप कर लीजिए. टोटली योर कॉल. नेक्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग दिस Maybelline New York concealer. I usually avoid concealer, but keeping this day in mind, a lot of people might be using concealer, so I think मैं भी ऐड कर लेती हूँ ये चीज़. So put it under your eyes. Now make sure जब आप कंसीलर लगा रहे हैं तो बस ऐसे डैप करके या ऐसे एक स्वॉच मत छोड़िएगा. You should always make a V ताकि ये अच्छे से blended दिखे, ना कि एक सफ़ेद धब्बा है यहाँ पे. You can also go ahead and put it on your lids. And if you have any problem areas like here or any blemishes, I usually do not like to cover my blemishes. It's there, it's fine, no big deal. So I'm not gonna do that. Now again taking the beauty blender, taking the pointy side, blend it. Next step, I am gonna do my brows. Now today I am experimenting. Usually I love to use L'Oreal Brow Artist. I have been using that for a very long time and I don't change that, but today I'm using this eyebrow pencil by the Fascia. So let me make this thing very clear. Eyebrow pencil अगर आप use करते हैं तो eyebrow pencil, eyebrow powder, whatever you're using, please do not use black. Go for a shade of light grey or darker brown. Light brown भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है, black भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है. With the help of the spoolie, make sure कि आपको अपने eyebrow कैसे चाहिए. With very light hands. आईब्रो पेंसिल का बेसिकली काम ये होता है कि जितने भी स्पेसिंग आपको आईब्रो के बीच में दिख रही है वो अच्छे से फिल हो जाए, और अगर रफ एजेस हैं तो वो आप एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में कर लीजिए. डू नॉट ओवर लाइन योर आईब्रोज अ लॉट. प्लीज कीप दिस लुक very natural and very you. So now we're going to repeat the same one for this eyebrow as well. For my eye today I'm using this palette by Makeup Revolution. First, for this eye makeup look is what we're going to do is we're going to start with a golden color, then we're going to go with a light brown color, and then we're going to give a dark brown shade to it. I'm using is a light brown shade, which in this palette is called Sweetheart. Now I'm going to go back and take the golden and put it back in the inner corners. Now for the crease, we are going to go for a darker brown. make a V shape and blend it very nicely. Now take a blending brush and get rid of all the harsh edges. Put some brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line as well. The shade that I'm using here is called Risky. Now at this point there are possibilities कि eyeshadow का थोड़ा fall out हुआ होगा, so again go with the beauty blender and just clean everything up. At this point जब हमारी eyebrows भी हो चुकी हैं, eyeshadow भी हो चुका है, now I'm going with the concealer again and framing my eyebrows very nicely. I love this step. I feel that ये करने से eyebrows बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे दिखते हैं. Just line your eyebrows with the concealer. Make sure you're not, and please don't overdo it. बहुत ज़्यादा सफ़ेद भी नहीं दिखना चाहिए. Very lightly. Now take a pointed brush. At this point I'm using this and just clean it up. Now at this point take a loose powder and take off the excess and blend everything. Now for eyeliner I'm using this L18 Eye Drama. Make sure that you do a very thin line. You can also use liquid eyeliner. Currently I am unable to find mine, so I'm going ahead with this. Try and make the line as thin as possible and as close to your lash line as possible. Now for this makeup look I am using cheek tint. This one is by The Face Shop. It is always very convenient to use cheek tints. I love cheek and lip tints. It stays longer, it looks very natural, और अभी के टाइम पे जब आप मास्क एंड ऑल भी पहनते हैं, so it stays put, so it is very important. I shall update this lip tint from Face Shop. This is the first time that I'm using it. I do not like it. It's like very blotchy. It is super steady. It is not blendable. So do not buy this. Save your money, save your time. Take this from me. It is not a good one. If you want to buy a lip tint, the Body Shop makes the best lip tint ever. This I did not like I blushed it and it stained immediately. Maybe it's good for your, it is good if you can like use it for your lips but not for your cheek. Getting back to my favorite blush, I'm gonna use this blush by Deborah Milano, which is my absolute favorite. The shade that I use is 13 Apricot, which is a very beautiful shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that and blend this all nicely, because always put your blush in an upward motion. Now you can use fake eyelashes for this makeup look because it's Valentine's. थोड़ा extra करना तो बनता है. So I will be using fake eyelashes, but before that I have to curl my natural eyelashes. Love using this eyelash color. If you have not bought one, please buy it. Very easily available, very affordable. Please do it. For lashes I'm going to be using this Lash Princess by Essence. Trust me, if you're looking for mascara, close your eyes and add this to your cart and just get it now. It is the best mascara that you'll ever use. Once you've used it, there is no going back. This one is this Scandalous by Rimmel. Love these two. For today I am using this one. Put your mascara in a rotating motion. It will make your eyelashes more voluminous. You have to focus on bottom lashes because ऊपर तो आप eyelashes लगा रहे हैं. Do not forget your bottom lashes. I didn't want to show you how to put eyelashes because I have a specific video कि eyelashes कैसे लगाना है. मैंने एक full video बनाया है. लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी, आई बटन पॉप होगा कॉर्नर ऑफ द स्क्रीन में, अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं तो आप देख सकते हैं। मेक श्योर कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी आई लैशेज़ भी ना यूज़ करें। Putting fake eyelashes already is a step up. Next, I'm gonna use highlighter because it is very important to shine. So here I am also using this palette by Makeup Revolution जिसमें blushes and highlighter हैं. Use any color. You can use pink over this one. I usually like to mix both of them and then use it. Put it on the high points of your face, that is your cheekbone, your bridge of the nose, bit here, give you like a subtle shine. Very important part of this makeup look is your lips. For this I am using this L18 liquid lip color. Now I think these are recently launched. I haven't tried it, so I thought it would be a good twist to try something new. It is also super matte and also stays for a long time, so that's a plus. If you are not comfortable with something so red, you can also go for maroon or wine kind of a color. It totally depends on your comfort. It totally depends कि आप किस चीज़ से comfortable हैं. Very important tip, whenever you are using a bright color, बहुत बार ये होता है कि आप यहाँ पे तो बहुत अच्छा bright color लगाते हैं और जो अंदर रहता है ना आप भूल जाते हो, तो बहुत ज़्यादा weird लगता है. So make sure that you're covering your whole lip so that it doesn't look weird. Now to set this all up, I'm going to be using this Faces Canada makeup setting spray. It's very important to set your makeup. So this was it, you guys. This was a super easy yet very put together makeup look for you all. I hope you have liked this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को. So that is it for today. I hope आप सबका Valentine's Day बहुत अच्छा जाए. Very happy Valentine's Day to you all. I will see you in my next video. Till then, be you, be beautiful.